So we live in a realm called space-time. And in this three-dimensional reality in space-time, there's an infinite amount of space. Space is eternal, right? There's an infinite amount of space. And if I'm local as a piece of material flesh and matter, local in an environment and time, or local in space and time, and I'm here and I want to walk to my hotel, I have one point of awareness. I'm aware that I'm here. And then I have another point of awareness, which is my hotel. And that's somewhere out there. So I have to move my body through space. And when I collapse space, when I move through space, I experience time. So time is the result of moving through space, right? And it's kind of the realm of Newtonian physics, the realm of the predictable, because we can fly from London to Los Angeles or San Diego. You know exactly how long it's going to take as long as you know the distance and the speed, right? So the world of Newtonian physics is a world of the predictable. So then if you're living by the hormones of stress, and stress causes you to put all of your attention on your body, when you're being chased by T-Rex, the arousal of the stress hormones causes you to put more of attention on your body. You're looking in your environment. Your attention is on your environment because that's where the danger is. And you're thinking about how much time you have to get there. So if where you place your attention is where you place your energy. And all of your attention is on your body, on the elements of people and objects and things and bodies and places, and you're preoccupied with trying to move to a predictable future based on a familiar past, then if where you place your attention is where you place your energy, if all your attention is now localized in three-dimensional reality, you got to play by the rules of Newtonian physics. So you got to work hard to get everything you want. So then our research shows that when you take your attention off your body, all of your attention off your body, and you go from a somebody to a nobody, you take your attention off all the people in your life. Not that you have to stop relating with them, but you got to get beyond them. And you go from a someone to a no one because you're no longer identifying with anyone. You take your attention off of everything in your life, your cell phone, your computer, your car, and you go from something to nothing. You take all of your attention off where you're sitting, where you sleep, where you live, where you work, and you go from somewhere to nowhere. And you're not thinking about the familiar past or the predictable future. You're going to go from sometime to no time. If you're taking all of your attention off this three-dimensional reality, then where you place your attention is where you place your energy. If you're not your body, if you're not the people in your life, you're not the objects or things or places or time itself, what are you? You're pure consciousness. So you teach people then that that moment of getting beyond yourself is disinvesting all of your attention